Hi, PlatoFormers. Exciting news! Adding an online form to your website or a blog post just got crazy easy. Just copy and paste your published URL, and boom, embedded forms on your blog or any site, like Canva. Quick heads up though, this feature works for newly published forms only. Alright, let's talk about adding your form to a Canva design. If you're starting with a blank page, no worries. Today, we're creating an Instagram post to gather some user feedback, but you can customize it for your needs. First things first, on the left side, you've got options like Design, Elements, and Text. Scroll down until you find Apps, click on it. There are cool options here, but for now, let's focus on Embed. If you want to find it quickly, just use the search bar and type EMBED. Now, you've added an embed. Here's what you do next. At the top, enter the publish URL for your form. Go to your PlatoForms dashboard, publish your form. Copy the URL, and paste it into Canva. Hit Add to Design. Adjust the widget size and location to make it easy for users to spot. You can also preview the Canva design and test how the form looks on your Instagram post. See? Just a few steps, and your form is in your Canva design. Hope this helps you integrate your form into Canva. Enjoy your PlatoForms journey, and catch you next time.